Hey y'all, Ben Meredith here. I am super excited to be speaking at WordCamp Greenville 2020 about how to level up your technical troubleshooting on your WordPress website. A lot of people hear me say technical troubleshooting and they immediately go, oh, this is going to be how to become a coder or how to be a better coder. That's not it at all. I want to teach you, regardless of your technical skill or coding ability, how you can be a critical part of troubleshooting, finding bugs, keeping your website secure, helping the developers to make better products, and helping plugins to work well alongside one another. And so I'm going to take all of the experience that I have from being a support technician, a senior support technician, and now the head of support at GiveWP, and show you how you can use those steps to troubleshoot your website and keep it more secure and help people to have a better experience with it. So come check us out at WordCamp Greenville 2020. So excited to be there.